Multiplying rational expressions to me really is simplifying by factoring first and then multiplying what's left. You should look at it like it's four smaller parts to the problem. You have a part here, another part, and another part. And you want to try and factor them all as much as possible. So that first part, I can see that it is a GCF factoring. So if I take out an x squared, I'm left with x minus 2. In the bottom part of that same fraction, I also see another GCF. Take out a 5, I'm left with x plus 1. The top part of the second fraction doesn't really change, but I can see that the bottom is a GCF as well, and I'm left with x minus 2. So from here, you really can cancel anything from the top and the bottom. As long as there's one at the top and one at the bottom, you can cancel them. So here, what's left is an x squared at the top, and I am going to multiply what's left at the bottom. I'm not going to distribute it. I am going to leave it in factored form because that's perfectly fine. So let's look at another. So here you can see this one's a little bit bigger, but it's the same idea. You really just want to break the problem up into smaller parts and take it from there. So the top part I can see is an easy trinomial. I'm going to have x plus 2 and x plus 3 because they're going to add to give me 5 in the middle. The bottom part is the difference of squares. So I'm going to have x and x, 4 and 4, 1 plus and 1 minus. The bottom right part is GCF. So take out the x. I'm left with x plus 2. And the top right part is a longer trinomial, so I am going to write it out. I know that 2 times 4 gives me 8. Factors of 8 are 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. And the only thing that's going to give me 9 when adding is going to be the 1 and the 8. So I am going to rewrite this with 4 terms. And they're both going to be positive to give me that positive 9. Going to split it down the middle. On the right side, I'm going to take out a 4. I can see that I have 2x plus 1 that they both share. And x plus 4 is what's left. So that is my factored answer for the top here. Once you're done factoring everything, again, you're just looking for common factors that you can cancel. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. I can see here there's nothing else. So my final answer is going to be me just multiplying together or just writing the factors next to each other like multiplication. And that'll be my final answer.